Welcome. This is Jigler FX. It's been a long time here, guys, but we are back. And we're going to become more consistent in giving you updates on the trade, on weekly trades. So this is Euro USD. I'm going to be doing breakdown, planning for the week, and I'll keep you abreast within the week on the trades that I took. So let's start straight away. The trades I'll be taking, so I'm going to be marking the recent positions here. So this is Euro USD, and this is the recent high here, which is actually going to be a very vital spot for me. So I'm going to label it right now. This is the daily. And this particular low here is very significant. So on the daily, so right now, what's happening on the daily time frame? We can see that the market was coming down, and if you use a trend line from, let's say, from here, you're actually going to see that the market was actually on a downtrend on this time frame. But then you see that even on this downtrend, if the market successfully breaks out of this daily resistance and probably retest, then from the daily time frame we are sure of longing to maybe at least this point here. All right, so we are sure of longing to that point there. Then if it breaks to the downside, like this is what we are expecting on the daily. So where the market currently is, if it comes down here and then it hits here, breaks down here and retests, then we're going to short to this place. So this is from the daily view, but of course we don't take trade from daily time frame, so we have to go down. I'm seeing other key levels on this daily time frame that I would want to mark, very strong key levels. So you can see that this, what I marked here, is a very strong key level. So let me just label it daily. We might need to adjust it as we go down. So that is it. There are still other key levels here that you would want to mark. Other key levels. Okay, so this is actually a key level here, this one. So would also want to target daily key level. So let's go down to the 4 hours. Now remember, major point of interest time frame is 1 hour. Sometimes we use 30 minutes, so we have to take the we have to go down to that level. All right, so you can see that from the 4 hours the market is actually on an uptrend. The market is actually in an uptrend, so you can see the market going up. So we're expecting now, in order not to make the chart messy, we are still expecting similar thing here, that this point, like this is the resistance, the current resistance. Let me identify it properly. This is actually the current resistance on the 4 hours level, this resistance here. And as you can see, it's actually a very strong key level. Let's take it back and see how strong it is. So let's see. So you can see at different points that the market reacted to this exact key level. So where we are right now. So right now, if the market, I'm still going to do the same thing, but okay, on these 4 hours, if the market breaks this resistance here, this one here, it breaks it up, then I think the market will retrace here. Then I'm going to long to this place, then this is what I'll be doing from 4 hours perspective. All right, so I'll be doing from 4 hours perspective. Then as we now continue up, I'll be able to when I see that daily setup, I'll take it, but I'll take the daily setup from a smaller time frame, of course. So this is what I'll be expecting to do based on how the market behaves. So I'll be taking this setup like this on the from the 4 hours time frame. Remember, I enter my trade in 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So but then this is where I view my stuff from. And in case, on what condition am I going to be selling on this time frame? I'm going to be selling, this is actually the key support here, or the key, yes, support level here, right? So this is actually the key support level here. So this is it. If the market, as the market is like, if it breaks down here and then probably comes to this level and retests, so if the market, as the market is here currently, if it comes down here and then maybe it hits here and retests, then I'm going to short from this place all the way to this place at least. Then I'll be waiting for this, the retest on the daily time frame, to continue my sell. Right, so that's actually what I'll be expecting. If I'm going to sell from the 4 hours time frame, I'll be selling based on that condition. So you see the chart is looking kind of messy, but the most important thing is not how the chart looks, it's actually the money make from it. So you can see I'll sell to this place, that's about 1 to 6 depending on the candlestick formation. But if this happens, then I am actually going to be selling from this daily time frame, from these 4 hours. I'll be taking a setup from this 4 hours time frame, but I'll go to my entry to look for entry time frame to look for confirmation. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame to see what we should be expecting. So you see the 1 hour time frame is not very different from what we saw on the 4 hours time frame. This is actually still the key resistance level right there. So we still have the key resistance level here, so you can still see this is a key resistance level. So if the market breaks it, we are still going to do what we're planning to do in the 4 hours time frame. And so there's no special thing from the 1 hour time frame here, guys. We'll still be doing the same thing that we're planning to do from the 4 hours time frame. So this is my analysis on Euro JPY. Is my analysis on Euro USD. So let's look at JPY. Let's analyze JPY. So there's a reason I'm taking JPY from the weekly time frame, because on the daily we are not seeing here very well, but you can still take it from here anyway. But then let's just take it from here and see how it goes. So now if you come to JPY, USD JPY, you see that this is a key level. All right, and I'm drawing this key level here because you can see that it's reacting already. So I'm going to target W, that's weekly key level, weekly resistance. So now the market has touched that resistance and you can see that it's reacting to it. So let's go down to see, to make more sense of the current market circumstance. So you can see that USD JPY has been buying for a very long time. All right, so let's try to mark some key levels. You see there's a lot of space here, so we have to shrink our charts. That's why I'm shrinking the way I'm doing. So you can see this is a key level, and you can see currently the market is reacting to it. So let us target daily key level. Let's find another key level there. I can see the market reacting right here, and let's call this also a daily key level. So let me just see something around here. This is also a daily key level, so let's put it there. Like I said, as you go down to the smaller time frame, you might want to adjust some of the key levels you are drawing, but let's just continue drawing our key levels. So right here we have, you can see, let me zoom that in, so you can see that this zone is very reactive, has been very reactive. We'll stop there. If you like, you can continue all the way down. It's possible that market will come down all the way there, but let's go down to the 4 hours to find other key levels. wait, before we go down to 4 hours, we have to ask ourselves, what's the market doing here? The market has been in an uptrend here, but looking at that weekly time frame, we are expecting that there's going to be a reversal. However, we actually we just react to the market. We don't predict. So this was a high here, and the market retraced, broke it, came here, and then it's now here like so. I'm actually expecting to do some sell on USDJPY, but it will depend on how the market is reacting to that zone. So on this condition, okay, now if you look at this 4 hours time frame, you see that the sell has already started, because this weekly zone here the market hit, it has respected it already. You can see it created a low here and it broke and retested. So the market is already going down on USD JPY. All right, so this is actually 4 hours resistance. The market is already, the down movement has begun, and all I'm going to be doing right now is on this USD JPY. This is a key level also, 4 hours, 4H. So on this USD JPY, okay, we still have other key levels. So let's try to mark all the necessary key levels we have on this 4 hours time frame. So we have a 4 hours, 4H, and then we still have another key level here like this, another key level, still 4H. So all those key levels, we take note of them. Please see how markets reacts there. And I still think that this is a key level. We just have to shine our eyes so that we will not skip anything. 4H. So these are 4 hours key levels, and like I said, I'm expecting to sell because the market has broken and retested. So if the market comes down here and retest like this, then I'm going to sell USD JPY to this level at least. All right, I'm going to be selling it to that level at least. And the only occasion, the only account on which, because if you look here, you also see that there's a trend line here. This is a trend line like this. So if that break happens, it's also a trend line break. And the only occasion I'm going to be buying USD JPY, now if we look up here, we will also see a trend line. All right, so I'm going to be buying USD JPY if there is a break. Let's mark this this is a level here, 4 hours, 4H. So if the market breaks, that's this from 4 hours view actually. So if the market breaks here, this place, and then probably retest here, then I'm going to be longing to this place, this level here, because that's also a key level on this 4 hours time frame. So let me put it there, 4H. So as you can see how my analysis is very simple and straightforward. I'm just looking for recent positions and break and retest. So on this condition, will I be buying or selling on the 4 hours time frame this week, or probably by tomorrow on USD JPY? So let's go down to 1 hour if we see fresh or special positions there. All right, this is for 1 hour time frame. I don't think there's any special position here that's I'm actually going to be, but I can see other key levels here. I can see other key levels here. So you can use anything to mark your key levels. Sometimes I like to use this rectangle too. Sometimes I use so I think maybe like this, when the market plays like this, we are going to be selling, buying. So this is my take on USD JPY. Very, very simple and straightforward, guys. Some people might want to even find a little, okay, let me leave that. But so this is my take on USD JPY. If USD JPY plays like this, then I am going to be buying and selling. Some people might want to take a little, like when the market breaks here like this, they might want to take a little sell, but it's not a very safe zone. I think I prefer the analysis here. All right, guys, we have wasted a lot of time here. I was supposed to give a breakdown of gold. All right, so let's rush up gold quickly and see what we've got. So as you can see, guys, gold is approaching or has approached a very significant position from the weekly time frame right here. So we gotta just tag this weekly, right? So it has approached a very significant weekly position. So gold might most likely be going down from tomorrow, except it breaks that zone. Oh, let's keep marking key levels. Remember, I don't mark key levels on the week, I mark it on the body of the candle. So this is a daily key level right here on gold. Again, we have another daily key level here, so we can as well fix that there, daily. Yeah, I just saw another daily key level, so here, right here, we can mark this as a daily key level, D, right there. So that's it. There are other key levels on the daily here on gold. Now, so what are we expecting from this daily time frame? Remember, you have to say what you're expecting from each time frame. So you can see that gold is currently in an uptrend here on this daily time frame. So if gold has broken this high already. I'm waiting for it. If it plays a drama like this, then I expect it to come and retest here, and I'll continue buying. All right, but I will be very careful, but I'll continue buying because we expect that gold will be going to the upside. But in case gold did not do that, and then gold drops down and breaks this low here, then I expect it to retest, and I'm going to short gold all the way to maybe this level. Oh yeah, so I'm going to short gold all the way. So that is my position in the daily, on the daily time frame. So let's go down to the 4 hours time frame to see more specifications, closer range stuff that we are supposed to do. So you can see I'm seeing very clean key levels here that we should not neglect. We should mark them, key levels. So this is actually a key level from this 4 hours time frame. All right, we also have a key resistance level down here that the market was actually 4 hours key level. So guys, this is what we are having here. This is what we are having here. I think this might need a little adjustment here. So maybe we can even change it to H4 or 4H key level. So you might need to do some adjustments as you go down to make your work to be more concise, accurate. So this is a 4 hours key level also. This is a 4 hours key level. We'll mark it, right? And there are also other key levels here. I believe that from the previous videos we have learned how to mark key levels. There are just many of them here that we'll be marking all of them now. So now what am I expecting on this 4 hours time frame? Currently the market has broken this resistant level, because this is actually resistant level here. So this is a 4 hours resistant level here, right? So let's just enter it 4H. So we have marked the recent high and the recent lows. So just in case the market breaks, okay, the market has broken, so we are expecting that the market to come and retest here, and then we'll continue buying. All right, we'll continue buying, but I don't think I am going to, okay, I'm not very sure I'm going to do that. The reason is because where this market touched weekly key level. But anyway, let's see how it goes. Well, on what condition am I going to sell this gold? I'm going to sell gold if it comes down and breaks this low here. If it breaks it and probably retests, then I'm going to short gold to this level like this, right? So maybe I should just adjust it a little bit, because this is what I'm going to be using to trade by from tomorrow. So let me not make it very rough, complicated. Right now, that's my take here. What about the 1 hour time frame? What's my take? So you can see that gold has a recent high on this time frame here. All right, so this is a recent high here. You can tag it 1H right there. So as gold is playing now, in case it comes down to this level, we might want to buy all the way up. But then if gold breaks below that level, we might want to take a little sell here, just a small one, maybe from 15 minutes time frame to this play, because this is also a significant level. All right, so guys, this is my take on all of these markets. I cannot do USD indices here, US 30, because of the timing. So this is what I'm going to be doing within the week. This might look very scattered, but like I said, the most important thing is that you're able to make profit from your chart. So guys, thank you very much. I'll keep you updated on however the week goes. This is the prop firm I'm going to be trading. You can see it. I got it on the 28th of November, which was 2 days ago. There are 2 of these prop firms I'm going to be trading. These are from Naira Trader. So I'll be keeping you guys updated on how it goes. It's a 2-phase challenge prop firm. This is 200,000 Naira prof account. There are 2 of them. This is the first one. You can see this one here. It's the dates. You can see the date I got it clearly, so that you see. So it's 28/11. And let me show you the other one. So guys, this is the second one. You can see the date I got it, 26th, right here. Also warming up to, do the needful. So I got this on the 26th, couple of days back also. So I'm preparing from tomorrow, from the new week. I'm going to be trading this account, 2 of them, both of them. And this one is also a 2-phase challenge. I'm not taking any trade. I'll be keeping you updates on the trades that I am taking on this account. So thank you guys. Catch you within the week.